Hello and welcome to this video that explains one of the many benefits of using Axis for your unified end-to-end solutions. In this video I will explain some of the benefits of the single user interface in Axis Camera Station for your end-to-end system. By using Axis Camera Station you can control your entire system from a single interface. Playback, viewing and downloading a video is incredibly simple, but that isn't the only functionality that you have. Axis Secure Entry, which is included at no additional cost in Axis Camera Station, means that you can also control your access control system from the same interface. You can add and remove user credentials and even see a status of the doors thanks to the map icons. You can also make audio announcements to Axis speakers and view and control all Axis intercoms from a single interface. There is no need to jump between different software programs to control, view and program your system. We are continuously developing other solutions such as body-worn cameras and sirens, and support for new hardware devices is always added to Axis Camera Station at no additional cost. For more information, please visit axis.com or contact your local Axis sales office for a demonstration.